This is FOREX Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. We're looking at a British pound US dollar short. We're in this trade a couple of minutes ago at the 137.81 level. I have a blue line there. What we're looking at here is just a short move off the top of this 1 minute trend that we've had in a little bit of a bounce. From the highs of the day, we moved down to this low. With these momentum metrics, what we're looking at is this is the second wave of this last up move in this trend. So we look at this area as a short, a very shallow stop above these highs. And this is an opportunity to maybe within anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes, make anywhere from 5 to 10 pips. So our target initially on this is going to be this 37.75 area. Anywhere there, we've made a very small amount of money, but we've made that small amount of money very quickly. And depending on the lot size that you're comfortable with trading, there's a way to capitalize on these opportunities where you have these small moves in the markets. When you look at a 5-minute chart, you can see that as we came up into this percentage level, we started seeing some selling there, and we reversed with 2 inside bars. I call that an arrowhead pattern, where you have an outside bar and 2 inside bars that follow it, and then typically that's a sign of a short-term trend reversal. So when we look at it on a 3-minute chart, you can sort of see how it's just sort of rolling over there. You go to the hourly chart, you can see throughout the day, every time we tried to push higher, especially above this level, we started seeing some selling pressure. Not much, something to just keep this British pound from really moving much of anywhere, as far as the dollar is concerned. We look at it on a 4-hour chart, you can see for a long period of time on this 4-hour, for this particular Friday, we haven't had hardly any action. But when you look here, we have a sell signal that comes up right here on this top tail doji, and then we have sort of a spinning smaller doji candle next to that, still in sell trend. This one is also. And then back to the 1 minute, we're nearing that target level. So this would be an area where we would look to potentially take a profit unless we were to see a further break. So one thing we can do is work through our time frames. Do we have a pressure on this 3-minute? Yes, we still do. We still show a continued sell trend. Momentum's entered into sort of a very bearish territory, so we could see a turn in that momentum, which might cause price to bounce a little bit on this 1-minute chart. And what I've done here is I've zoomed it in on the most recent low, so that we can see that target area. And those levels are based just on this last move in this 1-minute chart, not on anything else. I could go broader out, for example, and look at an hourly chart, and we could potentially see a move all the way down to 37.64 and make significantly more. But again, the priority here was just to try to sneak in an anywhere from 3 to 10 pip profit within a short period of time, from 3 to 10 minutes. And now we're at that 37.75 level. And that's it. That's one way to take advantage of one of those opportunities where you have a chance at the end of an up move where it looks like it's really bullish to just get into a trade and sort of scalp your way to, again, a 3 to 10 pip profit within a very short period of time. Again, this is CIS Trading with thinkorswimtoolkit.com.